Hello guys, today I want to show you how to integrate the Angular material into an Ionic application. Okay, first of all, I want to install the Ionic application first. I will use the beta versions of Angular material version 4. First, you need to install the Ionic CLI. Because I already installed the Ionic CLI, so I will skip this step. And the next step, we will install. We will start an app. Oops, sorry. Now Ionic start. The name of your apps, I will use the Ionic ng material, and the style of your application will look like a blank, a tab, or a side menu. I will use the side menu and type Angular. While waiting for installation, I will show you how the Angular material look like. This is the official page of Angular material. To get tested, you will go here. This is the step to install the material. I will follow this step. I don't want to install the Pro SDK. Okay, now cd into the Ionic ng and okay, this is my app. I will run it. Wow, this is my app will look like this. Okay, the next step, I will integrate the material into this Ionic application. The first you need to install the Angular material, npm install. Okay, I will copy paste because, and this command I will give you in the description below this video, so you can copy and run it. This command to install the Angular material, Angular CDK and Angular animation. Okay, the second command you need to import the theme material theme into the default theme of Ionic global CSS. Okay, I will comment here for you. Yeah, that's all. Now to use and the third step, you need to install you need to import the browser animation module if you want enable the animation support into your app module here. Oh, the app is here. Yes. Okay. This is the basic setup for my studio with the Ionic. To use the component in my studio, we will config like this. Go to the component. Okay, I want to the checkbox or the input. What? Okay, button. Try it first. Button is very basic and very simple component. So I want to try it first. First of all, you need to import the MatDatepickerModule for the player button. Into your application and oh sorry, and then to use it into your component, you need to import. For example, I will create a new page. JPEG button. You need to import the material button into the module here. You need to import it here. Copy. Oh, sorry. Oh, I forgot the comment. To use this, okay, I will copy this. The button HTML. and we copy this, the initial setup for the TS file. Okay, let's see how it does it look like. Button pay. Yeah, see, we just integrated the material into Ionic Application successfully. So that is the way you integrate the Angular material into your Ionic application. Yes, that's all for this video. In the next video, I will show you how to integrate another material component, the datepicker, for example. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching my channel. Please share, like, or subscribe if you like it. Thank you very much.